Hi lovelies, it's good to see you guys again. Happy New Year to you all. Alright lovelies, I want to share with you how I made this yummy delicious meal. Okay, so this is the preparation part of it. I first of all steam and fried my chicken. This is boiled plantain. Okay, so here are the things I will be making the meal with. Okay, this is the fried chicken, spinach, fresh tomatoes, onion. I have onion, red oil. This is the cooked plantain. This is Ugba. I've forgotten the name in the English name. Okay, so I added the red oil in the pot. I added onion. I sauteed it. Okay, I then add fresh tomato. This is fresh tomato. I will stir well to combine. Okay, then I will go ahead to add other ingredients. Okay, here are the ingredients. I have pepper flakes. I have 1 nut cube of Maggi and salt to taste. I'll add it inside the sauce. I will stir well to combine. Okay, it's been 4 months I left this space and I'm super glad to be back. I'm glad to have you all. Thank you so much for staying with me, especially those that private chatted me to know if all is well. I appreciate you all. Okay, so at this point I added the Ugba. This is African delicacy. Okay, but I've forgotten in the English name. If I remember it, I will add it in the comment section. Okay, in the description box. So I added it and I will stir well to combine. If you're anywhere outside Igbo land and you're an Igbo, you're Nigerian, I'm sure that as you're watching this this meal, you'll be feeling like having it. And don't worry, after I will send yours. Okay, so at this moment I added the fried chicken. Okay, I'll now stir well to combine. I'll allow it for a little while for the chicken to induce easy flavors inside the sauce and the sauce to induce easy flavor in the chicken. Let them marry each other and bear fruits. Okay, guys, please, at this moment I want you to like the video, subscribe if this is your first time of seeing the video coming across my channel, and share. You're gonna love this. Okay, share to your family and friends. So at this moment I'm adding the boiled plantain. Okay, I will stir it and then I will add spinach. You can use any vegetable of your choice. Okay, I'm using spinach for this and I really love it. So tell me, which vegetable would you like to use for this? For me, spinach is the top-notch option. Is the top-notch option for this. Okay, but even at that, use any vegetable of your choice, it will go with it. I want to use this opportunity to thank my OGs who still watch my old videos and the shorts. Okay, just to keep my channel alive. I appreciate you guys. Okay, may God bless you. I appreciate you all. Please guys, I'm back. Okay, I'm back. I'm trying to revive my channel, so keep watching and like me. Okay, anything I post on a video, just try to watch and like and share if possible. Okay, I have a lot of things I'm doing aside writing. Okay, outside social media, that's why I've not been active for long now, but I hope that I'll be back actively like before. Okay guys, so please try to engage on my videos whenever you see it. Okay, watch to the end. I'm trying to make my videos this period to be short so that you guys can be able to finish it. Okay, to watch it to the end. So this is the outcome of it. Guys, this may really taste delicious. Okay, so tell me, will you be trying it? Let me know in the comment section. Join me. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.